Alright, he was like maybe 3 inches off from where he wanted it to fall. He put his soda there. Now he just put his soda on the other side of that log and everything. Now this one wants to tilt the other way. Alright, so he wants that one to be right on the other side of the other one. And he put his soda there.
Okay, so on this one, all is basically the same, although what Mike said is I'm going to alter my aim point. I figure it has 3 feet of sideway this way. I'm going to alter my aim point 3 feet that way. Yeah. Because the hinge the foot where it really doesn't want to go. And with copper, given the grain structure, I will put a wedge in on this side so that I don't lose any. This copper is very prone to stretching.
So it's all about learning what kind of wood and tree you're cutting too.
Sometimes if I forget to stop and yet go while things start stretching, stop doing that. I don't want that to happen. So I will set a wedge right here. We'll call this 9 o'clock. And that just saves it from basically everything else is the same except for my escape rope is going to be on that side. Because this is now the bad side of the tree.
Alright, escape's going to be on this side because it tilts that way, where his escape was before. Always plan your escape before you cut a tree. Alright. So the opposite side of where your tree leans is where you plan your escape. Alright. A lot of safety issues when you're cutting a tree. There's a lot more to think about. Alright, there he goes. You notice he's putting his notch first. There's his notch. Okay. Putting his blade right in through the center, which is something my father did when he worked in the woods. Didn't do it this way, but this is the new, safer way of doing things. All right. Put a wedge on that one. On a wedge to help with that tilting. All right.
And again, all the cuts of releasing the back strap. And now it's safe for me to go on the inside of the tree, release the back strap. If I need to help the tree go over by driving the leg, I'll just reach around here.
All right. Here he goes. Gonna finish it off. All right. See, he added a little notch. Now he's gonna hammer where he put that in. A lot, if you notice, it's starting to tilt, straightening out.
To come back and then go forward. It's a little more difficult to get a wedge down a root over when there aren't any top leaves, branches to help it along. So it's a little more difficult to do it when there's no branches. Hopefully he doesn't want to break his hinge, so he's taking.
See it on the top, just moving slightly, little by little. One more. There we go. There you go. All right. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Bye-bye.